good food because I put on one little money for do one little thing. I know I get a little money. He got fuck up a little money. I know when he gone and bomb up clock yard. And then I talk about another man. That girl one man, yo, I should even know you, Jabass. I should even know Jabass. Me just there and say, you know what, I'm going to make everything slide you.
I put yourself in trouble in a Zozo. So if you fuck up your money.
I should even know Jabass, dog. I should even know you. You gotta take when you take clear free money and Ghana yard. In clear free money, buy anything and Ghana and Bumbuckler yard. Today, the girl could have lend me all the 2 bills and I cash you, give him back. But what? He buy 2 buckler NSC, put the brick in his bag, and then he say, alright, then he charter 1 car and go and buy in business. And I say, okay, I say
so where your money?
The girl scraps up my money, dog. Fuck up my money in one way. When he send out my money, me here say, the money when send go give girl, and that the amount of money there because PayPal must charge out tight. And then when the girl for transfer money in one different account, the money cut up. The money cut up, and a knife cut it. The money cut up, and a knife Bumbuckler cut it.
So then he cut up money and give you what you feel like you get?
I may try to show you and Ghana yard and I smile right now. And right now, I'm telling you
that's not right.
In a real life,
That's not right.
In a real life, Jabass, I'm not telling no lie, bro. That girl that deserves more than box in her face, bro.
No, don't put yourself in
different, man, bro.
Don't put yourself in trouble, so.
Bro, Jabass, I should even know that. I talk more and talk to them people.
Run one.
Yeah, be a thing, be my talk when they need a dog. Yeah, dog, and he know what I do. Bro, I even yesterday I pass up at your place. Even yesterday I pass up at your place, Jabass. In a real life, I got a Mandeville me there yesterday. Mandeville.
Yeah. 900 US.
I thought, you see, people just are running what they want to hear it. Them are running what they want to hear it about 900 US.
9,000 US. 9,000 US. Oh. Because those are so much money you have, those you have to try to control that one money, bro.
Brother, a girl PayPal the money there on dog and she come like a girl and want me have nothing. Anyway, I'll give me 200,000 and take back the 200,000 fast. He take back the 200,000 fast and send the money go there so and then the money go cut one way and then the next money will angle the money tell me say how much fee cost there so and then him want that because he don't want his account fuck up so he send what he want to send. So I try to show you so that girl if he does work with me because somebody went to come take out the money off her PayPal today now. She didn't want that. A fight she start.
So man take away 8K from me and woman can take 9K from you.
Calm down the more, just see your stand now, man.
Me know I feel.
John,
I've been here, you know, not too long ago.
I fuck with that,
brother. He get out of shove up all NS back in my face. Tear my shut and take up all big stone. And my things me I talk about. Me I talk facts and you go on like you want to come. About this I push. I know, I tell you Jabass, in a real life Jabass. In a real life Jabass. I told me I want the situation reach one type of way.
Me glad you relax, bro, because I'm
Jabass,
serious.
Run. Jabass, I could have run, come for me my shit, Jabass. I could have run, come for this. I could have run, come for this, I know, say, girl. You see that money there when I go? Sleepless night and hungry for. I could have also my shit and chop up your Bumbuckler. Beer chop in their face. And then got jail.
No, that necessarily so you can't work and make it back and be
bro.
smart.
I said, no, I not do it.
No.
Bro, it's not getting dog. Bro, you don't even know, dog. Bro, you don't even know what that girl there do, bro. That girl is happy for Bumbuckler, man. Bro, that girl don't happy for man, bro. That girl don't want to man with nothing. That's all me can say. He don't want to see me with nothing.
Bro. You've been asleep with your enemy, bro. Oh, God almighty, you.
Bro, a couple nights girl in here and sleep, dog, I'm there on my life. I beg, bro. Me can't even sleep, dog, because I say, girl, now make no money.
That's true. That if I try to go for true, that a wickedness. Because 9 grand US are 1.8 million.
What you mean? I carry money that.
And Zozo could have done bill up in your house.
I carry
Jabass,
Zozo to the
been
bike and
about
stuff to move around. Have a little movement for yourself. What you mean?
Jabass, alright, watch out. And now cap Jabass, see that? See that Jabass? See that Jabass? See Carol man go for you, see the Jabass. See that? See X man go for you, see the Jabass. And the people them take it PayPal. The people them not take it PayPal.
If you want the PayPal, you have to link JK Automite and Griffith, them the PayPal transaction.